Web3 represents the next stage of the internet. It's an evolution from the web we use today. The core idea behind Web3 is decentralization. This means moving power away from big companies and giving it back to users. People can own their data and digital assets. This is different from Web2, where large platforms often control user information. Web3 aims to create a more open, transparent, and user-centric online world. Its importance lies in its potential to reshape how we interact online, manage our identities, and conduct transactions, fostering a more equitable digital future for everyone involved in the digital space. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing a crucial role in making Web3 better. AI helps to lower the technical barriers that can stop people from using Web3. Many find new technology confusing. AI makes it simpler to understand and use. This allows more people to access Web3 services. AI also improves the user experience. It can make interactions smoother and more intuitive. For example, AI can automate complex blockchain processes. This makes it easier for users to navigate Web3 platforms without needing deep technical knowledge, thereby broadening the potential user base significantly for these emerging technologies. However, the early days of Web3 development faced some challenges. Many early AI agent projects in Web3 did not always have a clear purpose. They often lacked meaningful integration with the core Web3 ideas. Sometimes these projects were launched without proper planning, like missing white papers or clear tokenomics. This led to some people seeing them as just speculative investments. As a result, many of these initial projects were not sustainable and lost value. This highlighted the need for more thoughtful development and a focus on genuine utility for users, moving beyond mere excitement and hype. Despite these early hurdles, AI is also a solution. It helps to strengthen user sovereignty, which is a key goal of Web3. By using AI, Web3 platforms can become even more decentralized. AI can automate complex tasks on the blockchain. This makes these processes more accessible to ordinary users. For example, managing a crypto wallet or interacting with decentralized applications can be simplified with AI assistance. This combination of AI and Web3 empowers users. It gives them more control over their digital lives while making the technology easier to engage with, ensuring that the benefits of Web3 are available to a wider audience. Governments are starting to see the potential of Web3. They are creating initiatives to support its development. A notable example is Beijing's ambitious plan. On April 29, 2025, Beijing announced the Beijing Blockchain Innovation and Application Development Action Plan. This is a 2-year plan that will run until 2027. The main goal of this plan is to integrate blockchain technology deeply into the city's existing digital infrastructure. This shows a strong commitment from the government to explore and use blockchain for public good and economic growth, setting a precedent for other regions globally. Beijing's plan involves several key collaborators. These include the Municipal Commission for Science and Technology, the Zhongguancun Administrative Committee, and the Cyberspace Administration Office are also involved. Together, they aim to achieve specific strategic goals. One major focus is optimizing business processes using blockchain. Another is securing data sharing across different systems. The plan also aims to promote new service models that blockchain can enable. Furthermore, it intends to create clear reference applications, showing how blockchain can be practically used in various sectors within the city's economy. Financial backing is essential for Web3 projects to grow. Recognizing this, Beijing has committed significant funds. The city's Web3 and Development White Paper, released in May 2023, identified Web3 as a key future trend. To support this vision, the government has allocated at least 100 million yuan per year. This amount, which is roughly $14 million, is dedicated to fostering innovation in the digital sector. This consistent financial support is crucial. It helps new ideas get off the ground and allows existing projects to scale up their operations and reach wider audiences. This kind of government support has broader implications. It helps create a strong and healthy Web3 ecosystem. When governments invest in Web3, it signals confidence in the technology. This can attract more private investment and talent to the field. It also encourages innovation by providing resources for research and development. Such initiatives can lead to the creation of new jobs and economic opportunities. Ultimately, government backing plays a vital role in accelerating the development and adoption of Web3 technologies, ensuring they are built responsibly and for the benefit of society as a whole. New platforms are emerging that connect traditional art with Web3 technology. One such platform is Colli AI, which was announced on February 26, 2025. Colli AI aims to integrate established art practices with the new possibilities offered by Web3. It uses artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. These tools help artists in creating, minting, and trading non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. A key aspect of Colli AI is that it allows artists to maintain creative control over their work. This empowers artists by giving them new ways to share and monetize their art in the digital realm. These innovative platforms often come with features designed for wide accessibility. For example, Colli AI includes a multi-chain infrastructure. This means it can work with different blockchain networks. This is important because it makes the platform more accessible to a larger number of users and artists. It also promotes cross-platform interoperability. This allows digital assets and art created on one part of the Web3 ecosystem to be used or recognized on others. Such features are vital for creating a seamless and interconnected Web3 experience, breaking down silos that might otherwise limit adoption and use. Web3 and AI are also leading to practical applications in various fields. One exciting area is DeFi, which combines decentralized finance with AI. DeFi systems aim to automate investment decision-making processes. They use AI to analyze real-time cryptocurrency market data. This analysis can include information from many sources. For instance, multi-agent systems can scan social media sentiment. They can also look at macroeconomic trends and on-chain data. This comprehensive analysis helps users make more informed investment choices in the fast-moving crypto markets, potentially improving returns and managing risks. Beyond finance, AI is being used to make complex Web3 tools more user-friendly. Herd's AI agent, named Sage, is a good example. Sage is designed to analyze smart contracts. It does this using natural language. This means people can understand what a smart contract does without needing to read complicated code. This improves efficiency and makes smart contracts more accessible to a wider audience. Beijing's innovation plan also highlights practical applications. It aims for 20 concrete use cases for blockchain. These will be in sectors like healthcare, education, financial services, transport, and even supporting AI and large language models. For Web3 to truly flourish, significant advancements in technological infrastructure are necessary. Beijing's plan emphasizes the development of advanced blockchain software. This includes improvements in cryptography to ensure security. Confidential computing is another area of focus, aiming to protect data while it's being processed. Building robust distributed systems is also key. These systems need to be able to handle many users and transactions reliably. These foundational software elements are crucial for creating a secure, scalable, and trustworthy Web3 environment that can support widespread adoption and complex applications. Further infrastructure needs are extensive and varied. Beijing's initiative calls for national hub nodes for blockchain networks. It also plans for reliable digital identity platforms capable of supporting hundreds of millions of users. Distributed data directories are needed to manage information effectively. The development of dedicated blockchain chips will improve performance and efficiency. Advanced privacy protection technologies are essential to maintain user trust. Cross-chain interoperability will allow different blockchains to communicate. Lastly, large-scale distributed networking and petabyte-scale node storage are required to handle the vast amounts of data Web3 will generate. Addressing the challenges faced in early Web3 development is crucial for its future success. As mentioned, many early AI agent projects in Web3 suffered from a lack of clear utility and were often seen as speculative. This led to market instability, with the combined market cap of such projects once reaching $16 billion before many faced significant value loss. To counter this, the ecosystem is now focusing on more sustainable approaches. The availability of open-source AI models, such as Meta's Llama and China's DeepSeek, is helping. These models reduce the barriers to AI adoption. allowing developers to build more meaningful and useful Web3 applications. Looking to the future, Web3 is expected to undergo significant paradigm shifts, largely driven by AI. Experts predict a move away from browser-based, decentralized application usage. Instead, we may see more agent-centered interactions. AI agents could automate many processes within Web3. Imagine AI agents managing Web3 wallets on behalf of users. This could enable seamless and autonomous value exchanges between different agents or services. Such advancements promise to make Web3 not only more powerful, but also more integrated into our digital lives, creating a truly intelligent and responsive internet experience for everyone.